Hello, good afternoon. And we see an error LE. Okay, this is from LG washing machine, inverter direct drive 19 kg. Okay, now let's tackle this problem. When you see an error code related to LE, means the problem is related to motor, direct drive motor, or the motor is damaged, or the motor is not able to spin or rotate. So we can check the motor. For that, I will first turn off the washing machine, then I will unplug. And for the LE error, if we need to check the motor, first we should keep the washing machine like this, upside down. Then now we have to remove this nut. Okay, this nut can be removed by ratchet or any impactor. Okay, you have to hold this ring and you have to just remove. Means I already removed, and we have to pull this frame back. Okay, see, after removing the frame, you can see like this. The frame is this, which have carbon brush here. Further, to check the motor, you need to remove this outside. So for removing this, you have an connector over here. So we have to remove this connector, and we will remove this 3 screws, 3 bolt, and we can remove this. I will just remove for you. See, as soon as I remove this motor windings, see, the winding is fully corroded and it is not good. So first we will measure the motor windings. Okay, so I will measure these 3 terminals. We'll see what we get. So I need a multimeter, and I set the knob on ohms. I will just put my probe on this winding and another on this winding. You can see the windings are open, I think. Now I'll try 1 and 3. See, you are getting 12.3 ohms, but not on 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are open. See, 1 and 2 are open, and same on 2 and 3. I will check. Two and 3 also open. So the second terminal, one of the windings are open. Okay, so, and the motor is fault. We need to replace this part, and the washing machine will be perfectly okay if you fix a new one there. I have got a brand new one, same motor. Now let's check. I will show the winding values. Okay, now we will check these 3 terminals of the stator. See, first 2 terminals, and the ohms is 11.6. I will go for 1 and 3. See, 1 and 3 again, 11.7, and now 2 and 3. See, 11.9. So the stator is perfect. Now we'll fix the new one here and check the error is going or not. Okay, now we will fix this motor inside this. See, before fixing, you need to know how to fix. This little groove will come here, so fix according to it. Okay, we have 3 knob like structure, and that will fix here, so it is easy to fix. I will fix. I fixed the stator. Now next we'll fix this frame with rotor. Okay, before fixing this, just clean the inside part, everything in the brush. Okay, before fixing the rotor, don't forget to plug in the connector. Plugged in. Now I'll fix the rotor. Now I have fixed the rotor. Now let's check by switching on the washing machine. Now let's check the error repeats or not. I'll turn on the machine. For seeing this, we can quickly go to spin mode so that the motor turns as soon as it goes. Let's check the error comes or not. And now you can see the machine is spinning, tub is spinning now. There is no error. When we change the motor, now the LE error is gone. Okay, see now.